China's new intelligent tank, dubbed the drone Nemesis, is revolutionizing modern warfare like never before. This advanced military machine combines formidable defense mechanisms with state-of-the-art drone countermeasures, setting new standards for armored combat vehicles. How will this technological marvel reshape the future of battlefield strategies and global military dynamics? Keep watching as we uncover the capabilities and strategic impact of China's latest military breakthrough. Recently, images circulating on Chinese social media indicate substantial advancements in China's development of a new intelligent tank. This advanced vehicle boasts extensive defensive capabilities, capable of countering missiles and drone attacks, highlighting China's leadership in military technology. Analysts speculate that this tank may feature a two-person crew, a fully operational active protection system, and integrated drone and weapon platforms. Moving away from traditional tank versus tank engagements, questions arise about its active protection system's functions and battlefield effectiveness. How does it stack up against Russia's T-14 Armata and Germany's Kf-51 Panther in terms of technology? How will its autonomous driving and drone collaboration capabilities enhance its versatility in complex battlefield scenarios? Undoubtedly, China's new intelligent tank has attracted significant global attention. Beyond its conventional offensive and defensive capabilities, its integration of active protection systems and drone technologies significantly bolsters its effectiveness and survival on modern battlefields. Through advancements in autonomous driving technology and the implementation of multi-platform collaborative combat models, China's latest tanks signifies a groundbreaking leap in military technology and strategic foresight, heralding a profound evolution in armored warfare. What unfolds behind the scenes? What principles and reasoning guide these developments? China's new intelligent tank represents a significant leap forward in military technology, particularly in its integration of drones to enhance armor protection and defensive capabilities. This next-generation tank can autonomously coordinate with drones and unmanned vehicles, conducting long-range air attacks and disrupting enemy communications with its advanced electronic warfare system. Its networked combat capabilities enable real-time data sharing, optimizing tactical decisions and firepower deployment. Enhanced with advanced materials, it offers improved resilience against anti-tank weapons. The tank features an unmanned turret, a 105mm smoothbore gun, and potential anti-drone systems, highlighting China's pioneering advancements. Military experts emphasize the importance of active defense technology, enhancing its ability to intercept threats and survive on modern battlefields. With its multi-platform collaboration, the tank promises to redefine armored warfare, moving beyond traditional engagements to integrated, high-tech strategies. China's new intelligent tank embodies strategic foresight and technological prowess, poised to play a crucial role in future conflicts. As nations transition to fourth-generation tank designs amid complex warfare scenarios, this tank stands at the forefront of military innovation, ensuring readiness for evolving global challenges. China's latest intelligent tank has advanced significantly in key technological areas, particularly in active protection systems and autonomous driving capabilities. Its active protection system incorporates advanced early warning capabilities, effectively detecting and intercepting enemy missiles and drones, crucial in today's dynamic battlefield. Autonomous driving technology not only reduces personnel risk, but also enhances adaptability in complex combat scenarios. Seamless collaboration with drone combat systems boosts tactical flexibility and operational efficiency, enabling real-time reconnaissance and layered attacks. Compared to other fourth-generation tanks globally, this model significantly enhances combat efficiency and survivability. While Russia's T-14 Armata introduced active protection and an unmanned turret, China's tank excels in drone collaboration and autonomous driving. These features elevate its competitive edge on future battlefields, setting new standards in armored warfare. As warfare evolves with drones, missiles, and electronic warfare, modern battlefields are increasingly intricate and unpredictable. China's new intelligent tank is poised to meet these challenges with advanced defensive and offensive capabilities, underscoring robust combat potential and strategic importance. Integrated electronic warfare, autonomous driving, and drone technology optimize combat systems, defining the future of warfare with a more technologically integrated approach. Symbolizing China's strategic foresight and military prowess, this tank represents a shift towards systematic warfare, transcending traditional armored confrontations on upcoming battlefields. In contrast to Russian and German approaches to fourth-generation tanks, recent reports from Hong Kong media cited by Reference News underscore significant advancements in China's intelligent tanks. These include innovations such as a two-person crew and an active defense system, enhancing safety and offensive capabilities. The tank's capability to detect and intercept missiles beyond its defensive parameters highlights its advanced features. China has also adapted its attack systems by integrating drones and weapon stations, reflecting strategic lessons from conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine war. The PLA's new approach not only enhances its strike capability but also introduces a comprehensive combat strategy. By integrating drones with tanks, the PLA significantly improves combat efficiency and reduces ground personnel casualties. This innovative model is poised to play a crucial role on future battlefields as a formidable new force. Meanwhile, Russia's T-14 Armata and Germany's Kf-51 Panther pursue distinct paths in fourth-generation tank development. The T-14 Armata features an unmanned turret, allowing troops to concentrate inside for heightened protection. Its frontal armor exceeds 1 meter in thickness, with integrated reactive armor enhancing resistance against anti-armor projectiles. Armed with a new 125mm gun, it can counter third-generation tanks like the Leopard 2, though its future advantage remains uncertain with newer tank developments. In contrast, the Kf-51 Panther differs visibly from the T-14 Armata. It sports a large turret housing a 130mm smoothbore gun, delivering potent firepower capable of penetrating current tank defenses. Additionally, the Kf-51 Panther includes a 4-launcher loitering munition system for battlefield reconnaissance or targeted strikes resembling drone capabilities. Despite its heavy turret, its weight mirrors that of third-generation tanks, implying potential compromises in armor protection. Both tanks face a common challenge of incorporating old features into new configurations, with the Kf-51 Panther based on the Leopard 2A4 chassis. In contrast to Russia's T-14 Armata and Germany's Kf-51 Panther, which retain significant traits of third-generation tanks, China is charting a new course with its latest developments. Earlier this year, military analysts underscored the integration of active defense technology in next-generation main battle tanks, a feature anticipated in China's forthcoming tank. Insights from military sources suggest China's fourth-generation tank will feature an unmanned turret, a 105mm rifled gun, and stealth ammunition, with potential upgrades to advanced electrothermal chemical guns. Moreover, the new tank will collaborate effectively with drones and unmanned vehicles, enhancing its capability to deliver substantial impacts on enemy forces. Reports from Hong Kong media indicate that China's approach with its new tank emphasizes information technology-based systematic warfare, distinguishing it from nations focused primarily on anti-armor capabilities. Anticipate the unveiling of China's new generation tank soon. Lastly, let's summarize and expand on today's video, aiming to offer you inspiration and valuable insights. In the evolving landscape of modern warfare, tanks have traditionally dominated the land battlefield. However, with technological advancements and shifts in warfare tactics, traditional tanks confront unprecedented challenges. The proliferation of drones has rendered the battlefield more intricate and multidimensional. In response to this challenge, China has developed a new intelligent tank renowned as the drone Nemesis. This advanced vehicle not only boasts formidable defensive capabilities, but also excels at neutralizing drone attacks. The development of this innovative tank stems from a profound understanding of future battlefield requirements. Confronted with increasingly complex environments, Chinese military experts have achieved notable breakthroughs. Through extensive research and rigorous testing, they have not only fortified the tank's defensive weaknesses, but also introduced pioneering enhancements in offensive capabilities. Equipped with state-of-the-art active protection technology, China's new intelligent tank is tailored to meet the demands of modern battlefields. It not only defends effectively against conventional armored threats, but also decisively counters emerging drone incursions. Whether facing traditional adversaries or adapting to new challenges posed by drones, this tank operates with composure, underscoring its robust combat efficacy and resilience. Looking forward, the new intelligent tank will assume an increasingly pivotal role in future conflicts. It serves not only as a cornerstone of ground forces, but also as a beacon of advanced warfare capabilities. As technology continues to advance and be implemented, There is every indication that this tank will shine brightly on future battlefields. For military enthusiasts and professionals deeply engaged with military technology, China's new intelligent tank stands out as a focal point of attention. Its debut represents more than just an equipment upgrade. It embodies a revolutionary paradigm in modern warfare. In this era of rapid information dissemination, staying abreast of the latest military technology trends is essential for understanding global dynamics and grasping broader trends in peace and development. What do you think the impact of China's new intelligent tank will be on future military strategies and global security dynamics? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to join the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay updated on the most cutting-edge military technologies and innovations. Dive into a world of advanced warfare possibilities for an insightful future.